Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Jeff in Pennsylvania on the Anytone at-6666. So what does Truckerized mean to you? Well, Truckerized is our all-out package on a particular radio with also a static 636L mic, and in this case it will come with the adapter to work with this radio and also this tune-up report. Well, on this radio, not only do you get the tune-in alignment, you get the voltage regulator upgrade, you get the wideband transmit and receive, you got the electrolytic capacitor upgrades, and man, this thing's ready to rock and roll. Let's just get right to it here. Oh, and the ERF 2030 plus MOSFETs, which allows this radio to eclipse the century mark on output power. So we're going to start with RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. It's about 3 watts. That way if you decide to run like a 4-pill or something, you get full adjustability. Roll it all the way up. There's your 20 watts. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. And notice we don't have the 50 watt slug in here like we would on a standard tune alignment on Anytone. Got the 100 watt slug in average. And here's why. Oh. About 66 bird, 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 120 peak. Now we'll go over here to sideband. Hello, 1 2 1 2 audio, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 audio. About 115 116 on sideband. Okay, and go over here. FM, and it'll roll up to about 34 watts. Okay, I don't know if you fooled around with the menu any, but you can push and hold that and change the colors. All kinds of different options. Shut that beep off. There's your mic gain adjustment, which we didn't even have it all the way up, but close enough. Good to go. All right, Jeff, appreciate your repeat business. We're going to get this out there to you today. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been Truckerized. Bum bum.